Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we will be discussing about how to change subtitles. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So let's see how we can change subtitles on your Disney Plus. So first of all, you need to simply open your Disney Plus account. Once you're in your Disney Plus account, you need to select any show that you want to watch. Now, once you have selected any show you want to watch, you need to tap on the continue button or restart button. After you have done this, you can simply find that your show has subtitles. So now to change it, simply tap on the right hand side and there you can find the settings. Simply tap on the settings option. After tapping on the settings option, you will be redirected to this interface. Here you can select any of the subtitles you want to change the subtitles from. So once you select it, you will be able to simply change subtitles on your Disney Plus. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.